In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use smart forms in Hubspot. This is an essential tool for anyone using Hubspot to streamline the user experience on your website and make sure you gather the most relevant information from your audience. By the end of this, you'll be able to set up smart forms with confidence. First, let's head over to the Hubspot homepage. Make sure you're on the right page by checking the URL and ensuring it begins with hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button, which is usually prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your account. If you face any trouble logging in, ensure your email and password are correctly entered and try resetting them if necessary. After logging in, you're brought to what is known as the Hubspot home. This is where you can access different tools and features that HubSpot offers. Look for the trial guide section. They might be presented as icons or listed on the sidebar for easy navigation. Once you are in the trial guide, you'll need to locate the marketing section. Click on this option. This area is essential as it deals with all elements related to engaging and nurturing leads through marketing campaigns. Now that we're in the right place, click on email. You'll find that HubSpot offers an intuitive approach to handling email marketing campaigns, crafting personalized messages for your audience easily. Next, we move to the edit option. This will typically appear alongside any existing emails that you've previously set up or are in the process of crafting. Clicking edit is crucial as you'll now be able to modify certain aspects of your campaigns to incorporate smart forms. After entering the editing mode, the next element to locate is the settings tab. This will give you access to alter the technicalities and configurations of your marketing campaign, settings you'll need to tweak to make your smart forms work optimally. From here, you'll see an option to add smart rule. Clicking this allows you to begin tailoring the forms based on specific criteria. These criteria might include visitors' past behaviors, location, or other demographic details. Smart rules enhance personalization, ensuring your forms are dynamic and adaptive to the user's intent. Setting up these smart rules can significantly improve engagement rates by catering directly to the individual, making them feel valued and understood. That wraps up the step-by-step process of setting up smart forms in HubSpot. While it might seem a bit complex at first, following these steps ensures a smooth journey from the homepage to a professionally set up smart form. Give each of them a try and don't hesitate to explore deeper into the customization options offered by HubSpot. Thanks for joining, and until next time, happy marketing.